Hello everyone. So I'm just from consuming my colon cleansing smoothie. I consume twice every month to deeply clean my system, make sure my colon is clean, my system is clean, flushing out all those toxins or chemicals I consume, maybe from food sprayed with pesticides, or maybe unknowingly I consume any dead or chemical in my system that will might cause me to be sick or any illness. This is to help flush all those out of the system, and equally when your system is clean, your hormones function properly. When all those toxins are out of your system, any chemical or dead you consume, maybe knowing or unknowingly, gets out of your system functions properly. Because 40 to 60% cause of hormonal imbalance, which is rampant these days, is the consumption of chemicals, maybe through pesticides used in spraying fruits and vegetables, in growing food, the chemicals they use in preserving food, and the rest. All those chemicals get into your system, mimic your hormones, now acting as your hormone. So it is very important to cleanse your colon at least once every month. Very important, so your system stays clean and functions properly. And so I will not waste your time. I'll take you now straight and show you how to come up with a smoothie yourself at home. Do not forget to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to make this very powerful colon cleanse detoxifying recipe, you will need any cruciferous vegetable as your first ingredient. That is because cruciferous vegetables, they help to detox your system, removing excess fluids and balancing your hormones at the same time. So these are a couple of them for you to choose. You can use one or two depending if you lay your hands on them. So you can use either broccoli, you can use cauliflower, you can use kale, you can use the purple cabbage, white cabbage. Any of these are good. They are cruciferous vegetables. They will help to balance your hormones, flushing toxins out of your system, removing all those excess fluids and toxins mimicking your hormones, causing hormonal imbalance. So for today, I'll be using the purple cabbage. The purple cabbage is very good because I want it for double purpose, to help remove all those excess fluids, liquids, and plus the toxins from your system. So if you are consuming this, make sure you are close to a restroom because it will take you there, so you can remove all those excess fluids, toxins, dirt from your system, and that will help you lose weight, leaving your system very clean as well, balancing your hormones. So for today, I'll be using just 1/4 of this purple smoothie, but I'll be slicing up like half. I'll divide the half into two later because I'll be doing this today and tomorrow. So this is for 2 days. I'll slice everything because I want to thoroughly wash this vegetable. I want to show you how to thoroughly clean them because most of these vegetables are sprayed with pesticides, so they can stay longer, not get rotten or bad, so they can stay looking fresh. So if you have to eat them, make sure you clean them thoroughly. Make sure to slice everything. You don't throw any part of the purple cabbage. You slice everything. Washing is very important. So purple cabbage helps your system to like remove all those excess fluids, toxins, dirt from your system, balancing your hormones, leaving your system very clean because all those toxins in your hormones are in your system are the cause of hormonal imbalance. So by the time this cabbage helps you to like remove all those toxins out of your system, you stay very clean, healthy, that way balancing your hormones. So I have sliced half a cabbage. This is how I wash my cabbage. This stage is very important because you don't want to put in those toxins in your system you are trying to remove from your system. So washing your cabbage thoroughly is very important. So the first thing you want to do is you fill your cabbage with water. You make sure to clean. This is the first stage. I first of all wash, then I put in the bowl again, fill in with water, and add in my vinegar or baking soda. So just watch me. So you just make sure the water gets above your vegetables, whatever vegetable you're washing. Let your water just get above it. Feel the water to be above your vegetables. Voila. So this is my vinegar. I'll be using vinegar today. So I usually add like 5 tablespoons of vinegar, but I already know how to estimate, so I'll just pour. It should be like 5 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar helps to really deep clean these vegetables, removing all those chemicals used in like preserving them, to spraying them with. If you don't have vinegar, you can substitute with baking soda. Baking soda equally helps to really deep clean these vegetables, removing all those chemicals, so you don't consume them, causing more harm to your system. The second ingredient will be cucumber, which is equally a very powerful alkaline disease fighting vegetable. Very good to add into this recipe. So I will be washing it with this as well, because they are equally sprayed with pesticides, even though it is organic, as you saw me taking out of the pepper. I will leave it here for like 2-3 minutes. That is very important. Cucumbers are equally very powerful, as they have disease fighting properties. They have cancer disease fighting properties to fight diseases from your system, leaving your system very clean. Cucumbers are 90 to 98% water based, which will help support your system to detox itself as well, loaded with so many vitamins and minerals. So this is it. Voila. After 2 minutes, you just need to rewash your ingredients. These 2 ingredients are loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, so many vitamins and minerals that will not only cleanse your system, but will help your system to detox itself. So these are the first 2 ingredients you need to be using before I introduce you to the third. So I'll just separate the cabbage into 2. These 2 ingredients, as I said, I'm using just 1/4. So I am separating this half into 2. I'll be using just half of the half. I hope you understand what I'm saying, if you were following me up. Yeah, so that is it. I'll just be keeping this for tomorrow, because I do this same thing 2 days every month. I do this 2 days every month. So this is for tomorrow, the other is for today. So just same too with the cucumber. I will divide the cucumber into 2. I'll be using half today, and the remaining half I'll be using tomorrow with the cabbage. So we just need half a cucumber, and voila, you keep that one for tomorrow. So the next thing, which is very important, which helps you consume these vegetables, is banana. They help you to easily consume vegetables, because trust me, it can be very difficult to just consume some of these cruciferous vegetables. So banana gives that flavor, that good taste. Banana is not only for the flavor and the taste, but equally a very powerful ingredient as well. It is alkaline and disease fighting in nature. So you want to slice in 1 full banana into the half of cucumber, 1/4 of your purple cabbage. As I said, if you have other cruciferous vegetables, you can add, but I'm just making it simple today. You can add broccoli, you can add cauliflower, you can add any to make it even stronger. If you have hormonal imbalance as well, you want it to work faster, you can add broccoli or any other. Yeah, so I'll be adding it just a little bit of water. So just watch me add. I don't know how to quantify this water, but just put in a little bit, depending on how your consistency you want. I like it thick, so it is easy for me to just get into my belly fast, because it is not really so much fun, but it tastes good in the mouth anyway, thanks to the banana. So this is it. This is the smoothie. This is the colon cleanse detoxifying smoothie. Make sure, as I said, to consume these where you are close to a restroom. You don't want to embarrass yourself somewhere, because it is to flush all those toxins, remove excess fluids, so you have to visit your restroom. It is equally loaded with so many vitamins and minerals. You can share with your sister, friend, husband, whoever you have in the house. This is for two. This quantity is for two, but if you are greedy, you can drink everything, no problem. So I hope somebody finds this video helpful. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy. Bye.